Welcome to I Can Solve Maths. I am your maths teacher. Basically, I am going to cover the ICSE syllabus at present. If you want me to cover for more CBSE syllabus and other boards, please comment in the comment section, and you can also write me the email, and all the description would be in the video. I'm going to do each exercise. So I'm taking ICSE class 7 mathematics, and the first chapter is integers. So let's start. Today solve the problems from exercise 1A, page 6, ICSE class 7 mathematics textbook. So exercise 1A. The first problem is evaluate. Let's see the first problem. 427 into 8 plus 2 into 427. Now this is distributive property. And distributive property, so we have to see which is common. So in this both we see 427 is common. So we are going to take 427 into, now what is left is 8 and 2. So 8 and sign is plus, 8 plus 2. So the answer is 427 into 8 plus 2 is 10. So it is 4270 is the answer. Now the second problem we are going to see is 394 into 12 plus 394 into minus 2. Now this is also distributive property. Now here also we need to see which is common. This is 394. 394 is common. 394 into, now what is left is 12. Now here we see plus into minus is minus, and what is left is 2, because the product of a positive integer and a negative integer is a negative integer. So we see here 394 into 12 minus 2 is 10. It is 3940 is the answer. Now we are going to see the third problem. That is 558 into 27 plus 3 into 558. Now this is also distributive property. So you see which is common. It's 558 and 558. So 558 into, now what is left? 27 and 3. But what is the sign? Plus 3. So this is 558 into 27 plus 3 is 30, which is 16740 is the answer. So we have completed the first exercise. Now the second is also evaluate. Now let's see this problem. 673 into 9 plus 673. Now this is also distributive property. But here it is little tricky. Now it is, look here, 373 into 9. Now you have to make 673. 673 into 9. Now you have to make 673 common. So 673 is common. So 673 into 1. Okay. 673 into 1 is 673. So now what is common? 673. 673 into, now what is left? 9 plus 1. Now this is 673 into 9 plus 1 is 10. That is 6730 is the answer. Okay. Now we are going to see the second problem. Roman 2. 1925 into 101 minus 1925. So this is also distributive property. Now 1925 into 101 minus 1925 into 1. Okay, now what is common? 1925 and 1925. So 1925. What is left? 101. Now minus into plus is minus. Okay, because the product of a positive integer and a negative integer, or a negative integer into positive integer, is negative integer. So 101, and what is left is 1. So 1925 into 101 minus 1 is 100. The answer is 192500 is the answer. Now we are going to see the third. The third is the verify. Now what you need to verify is left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay, now see the first problem. 37 into 8 plus minus 3 is equal to 37 into 8 plus 37 into minus 3. So now let's take the left hand side first. The left hand side is this one. So left hand side is 37 into 8 plus minus 3. Now this is 37 into 8 minus 3, because plus into minus is minus. Now 37 into 8 minus 3 is 5. So this is 185. Now let's see the right hand side. Right hand side is 37 into 8 plus 37 minus 3. Okay, now this is the distributive property. So you need to take 37 common into 8 minus 3. Now 37 into 8 minus 3 is 5 is 185. So the right hand side is equal to left hand side. So left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Hence verified. Now the second problem is minus 82 into flower brackets minus 4 plus 19 flower brackets close minus 82 into minus 4 plus minus 82 into 19. Okay, now let's see it. Left hand side, we will take the left hand side first. This is minus 82 into minus 4 plus 19. Okay, now minus 82 into minus 4 plus 19 is, you see, is minus 82. Now this is minus 4 plus 19 or plus 19 minus 4 or, okay, 19 minus 4. That's it, simple. So this is 15. Okay, this is minus 82 into 15 is minus 1230, because minus into plus is minus. Okay, now let's see the RHS, that is the right hand side. This is minus 82 into minus 4 plus minus 82 into 19. Now you see minus 82 into minus 4, because we have taken minus 82 as common, because this is a distributive property. Okay, and what is left is minus 4 and plus 19. So it is minus 82 into 15. So this is 1230. Okay, this is the RHS. So LHS is also minus 1230. RH is also minus 1230. So LHS is equal to RHS. So this is proved. Now let's see the third problem. The third is 7 minus 7 into 7 is equal to 7 into 7 minus 7 into 7. Okay, first take the left hand side. 7 minus 7 into 7. Now minus into minus. The product of two negative integers is a positive integer. So this will be 7 plus 7 into 7. Now this is 14 into 7. This is 98. Okay. Now let's see the RHS. 7 into 7 minus 7 into 7. Now this is distributive property. Okay, so what is common here? 7 is common here. So we'll take 7 into 7 minus into minus. We see this according to this, minus into minus is plus. So 7 into 7 plus 7 is 14. This is 98. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now we are going to see the next problem. That is the fourth one. This is minus 15 minus 8 minus 6 is equal to minus 15 into minus 6 minus 8 into minus 6. Let's take the left hand side. Okay, minus 15 minus 8 into minus 6. Now this is minus 15 minus 8 into minus 6. Now you see, notice here there are two negative signs. So this will be addition with a negative sign. Okay, 23. 15 plus 8 is 23 into minus 6. Now minus into minus, product of two negative integers is very good, your positive integer. Okay, so 138. Now let's see the RHS. Now RHS is minus 15 into minus 6 minus 8 into minus 6. Now this is minus 6. We are taking common because this is distributive property. Okay, so if you take minus 6 is common. Sorry, this just keeps popping up. Minus 6 is common into, this is minus 15 and minus 8. So what is left is minus 15 minus 8. So it's minus 6 into minus 15 minus 8 is minus 23. So this is minus into minus plus according to this property. So we will see 138. Okay, hence left hand side is equal to right hand side. So we solved 1, 2 and 3. Now let's see, go for the fourth one. Fourth is again evaluate. Now 1, Now 15 into 8 is 120, because the product of two positive integers is a positive integer. Now 15 into minus 8 is minus 120, because the product of a positive integer and a negative integer is a negative integer. Third, minus 15 into 8 is minus 120, because the product of a negative integer and a positive integer is a negative integer. Now the fourth one, minus 15 into minus 8 is equal to 120, because the product of two negative integers is a positive integer. So this is also done. Now let's see the fifth one. Fifth one is also evaluate. Okay. Now the first problem is 4 into 6 into 8 is equal to 192. Okay. Now second is 4 into 6 into minus 8. Now 2 positive is positive. Okay, now here it is negative, and one positive and negative is negative. So this is minus 192, because it has one negative integer. Now the third one, you see 4 into minus 6 into 8. Now plus into minus is minus, and minus into plus is minus again. Okay, so this is also minus 192, because it has one negative integer. Now let's see the fourth one. Fourth one is minus 4 into 6 into 8 is also minus 192, because minus into plus is plus, and plus into plus, let's see the fourth problem. The fourth problem is minus 4 into 6 into 8 is also minus 192, because minus into plus is minus, and again minus into plus is minus. So that's why it is minus 192, because it has one negative integer. Now let's see the fifth problem. Is 4 into minus 6 into minus 8. Now this is 192, because it has two positive integers. Let's see the fifth problem. 4 into minus 6 into minus 8 is 192, because minus into minus is plus, and plus into plus is plus. Okay, so because it has two negative integers. Now let's see the sixth problem. It's minus 4 into minus 6 into 8 is 192. Now this is because there are two negative integers which become positive and positive is positive, because it has two negative integers. Okay, now let's see the seventh problem is minus 4 into 6 into minus 8, which is 192. Now this is also having two negative integers, so it becomes one positive because it has two negative integers. Now let's see the eighth problem. Minus 4 into minus 6 into minus 8 is minus into minus is plus. Here this is minus. This minus is here. Now plus into minus is minus. So this is minus 192 because it has three negative integers. Okay, now we have completed till here, and next we are going to see the next is determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is. Now I told you, when it says product, don't get confused in the video number 1. Product means nothing but multiplication. So you have to multiply everything with minus 1. Okay, so let's do it. Minus 1 into 47 is minus 47. Hence, the integer is 47. 47 is the integer. Now, minus 1 into minus 63 is 63. Okay, now hence the integer is minus 63. So you have to understand here that you have to bring, like the first question was minus 47. So you have to bring minus 47. Now with what you will multiply so that you will get minus 47. So to get minus 47, you have to multiply minus 1 with 47. So that's why the integer is 47. To get 63, you have to multiply 1 with minus 63. That's why the integer is minus 63. Okay, minus 1. So what should you do to get minus 1? So you have to multiply with 1. So minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Okay, so hence the integer is 1. Now the fourth problem, you see, minus 1 into 0 is equal to 0. Okay, because what you need to do to get 0, you have to multiply with 0. You have to multiply minus 1 with 0. So that is minus 1 into 0 is 0. Hence the integer is 0. let's see the 8th problem. Now this is listen carefully. 18 integers are multiplied together. What will be the sign of their product if number 1, 15 of them are negative and 3 are positive. Now before this, I wanted to teach you something. Listen. When it says 15 negative, okay, you don't have to get confused. You have to see what is 15. Is 15 an odd number or even number? Okay, you have to see 15. Now 15 is a odd number, so the integer is negative integer. Now I'm going to clearly 2, 4, 6, 8, all these are even numbers. Okay, 3, 5, 7, 9, all these are odd numbers. Always remember this. If a negative integer, if it says that 2 negative integers, now since 2 is a even number, so it is 2 negative integers will always become positive integer. Okay. Now if I say 5 negative integer, what is their value? So you see 5 is even or odd. 5 is an odd number. Okay, 5 is an odd number. So when there is an odd number, it is always negative. When there is odd, it's always negative. So we are going to come back to the problem. It says that the problem is this one. 18 integers are multiplied together. What will be the sign of the product if 15 of them are negative and 3 are positive? Okay, 15 are negative. Now 15 of them are negative. Now what is 15? Fifteen is odd, so the integer would be negative integer. Okay, and how many are positive? 3 are positive. Okay, 3 are positive. So in positive, you don't have to worry. You don't have to worry about. Don't worry about odd or even, because if positive, then the product will also be positive, because if you multiply 3 positive numbers or 5 positive numbers or 10 positive numbers or 100 positive numbers, the result will be always positive. Okay, so I don't want to make you confused. So here it says 15 negative and 3 positive. So 15 is an odd number, so this will be negative, and 3 is positive, so negative into positive. Okay, so this will be negative. So the answer will be the negative. Now let's see the second one. 12 of them are negative and 6 are positive. 12 of them are negative integers and 6 are positive integers. So 12 is even, so it is positive integer, into 6 is also positive integer, because remember I told you whether it be 6 or 10 or 5 odd number doesn't matter, positive is always positive. Okay, so now positive into positive is positive. The answer is positive. Okay, now let's see the third one. The third one is 9 of them are positive and the remaining are negative. Now let's see how many are there. Remaining, they are saying there are 18 integers. Okay, now total is 18 integers. Okay, now 9 are positive, 9 positive, that means 18 minus 9 is 9. 9 is the remaining. Okay, 9 integers are remaining. So now that means that 9 are negative and 9 are positive. So I told you 9 is a odd number. So odd means very good, negative. And here it doesn't matter odd or even. It's always positive. Okay, because it's a positive. So now we have negative into positive is negative integer. Okay, now let's see in this section we have one more. Yes, we have one more. We have the 4. Now it says all are negative. Now all are negative. Now how many are there? There are 18 integers. Now see, negative means 18 is odd or even. It is even. It's not odd. So this is positive integer. Don't get confused. If you can get back to the video anytime, or you can even download the video and go through the sessions. So now 9. Find which is greater. Okay, find which is greater. Now the Roman 1 problem is 8 plus 10 into 15 or 8 plus 10 into 15. Let's see. 8 plus 10 into 15 is equal to 18. It's 10 plus 8 plus 10 into 15 is equal to 270. Now 8 plus 10 into 15 is 8 plus 150 is equal to 158. Therefore 8 plus 10 into 15 is greater than 8 plus 10 into 15. Okay, now number 2, 12 into 6 minus 8 or 12 into 6 minus 8. So 12 into 6 minus 8 is equal to 12 minus 2 is equal to minus 24, and 12 into 6 minus 8 is equal to 72 minus 8 is 64. Therefore 12 into 6 minus 8 is 12 into, okay, now let's see the third problem. Is minus 3 minus 4 into minus 5 or minus 3 minus 4 into minus 5. Now minus 3 minus 4 into minus 5 is equal to minus 3 minus 4 into minus 5 is equal to minus 7 into minus 5, that is 35, because my minus into minus is plus. Okay, now minus 3 minus 4 into minus 5 is equal to minus 7 into minus 5 into 35. So they both are equal. Okay, so let's write it down. Minus 3 minus 4 into minus 5 is equal to minus 3 minus 4 into minus 5. Okay, solve. Let's solve. Now we are in the last part of our exercise 1A. Okay, now the 10th question. State true or false. Now it says, the question is, product of two different integers can be 0. False. No. The second is, product of 120 negative integers and 121 positive integers is negative. Now let's see. Product of 120 negative integers and 121 positive integers are negative. Now they are asking whether the product of 120 negative integers and 121 positive integers is negative or not. Now let's see. 120 negative integers. Now I say, what is 120? This odd or even? Yes, this is even, not odd. So this is positive. This is positive. So in 121, now we have 121 positive integers. Now I said it is 121 or how much, it doesn't matter. You don't have to care whether it is odd or even. Okay, you don't have to care. It is always positive. So positive into positive is positive. Okay, this should be positive integer. But here said are negative, then this is false. So the second one is false. Okay. Now the third one. What is the third one? A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus C. Now this is also false. Now I'll tell you why false, because A into B plus C is, you have to first multiply A into B. Okay, A into B, put the plus sign here, plus, and then A into C, A into C, that is A into B plus A into C. So what it is given? A into B plus C. So no, this cannot be. So the answer is false. The answer will be A into B plus A into C, not A into B plus C. Okay. Now let's see the final one, the fourth. Let's see what is the fourth saying. Minus B minus C into A is B minus C into A. Let's see. Now first take B minus C into A. Now don't get confused. In here, A is in the first and here A is in the last. So the process is A into B, okay, or B into A minus this, okay, C into A. Okay, so first A into B, then A into C. That is A into B or B into A is one, same thing. C into A into C. So answer is this. Okay, so what is the answer? They given B minus C, so that is wrong. So false, because B minus C into A is B into A minus C into A, not B minus C into A. So this is it. We have done the 6th page, exercise 1A, and in the next class we are going to do the next session. Till then, God bless you all and bye.